It's your boy crazy. Got some of papa's penny. Yeah. Sure. Oh, whoa. Yeah. Sure. I see you. Look. Inzima impilo futhi yamangazi dala nkundla ngizama ukuthola ulwazi kwenzekani manje ngifune kwazi inzima impilo futhi yamangazi dala nkundla ngizama ukuthola ulwazi kwenzekani manje ngifune kwazi push music ngikhipha ulwazi thando lawo kimi ngangolwandle thando lawo kimi ngangolwandle wow
angifune kwazi mina ngifune ukuhlala ngikhipha ulwazi angifune kwazi mina ngifuna ukuhlala ngikhipha ulwazi
go Phumelela ngicela uvula umnyango Nini umuntu ephusha uvala umnyango Siloke siyapheka abafuna amabhazi Ngapha bavala amasango Damn I'm ready for fame Zizwa ngi-high Ngapha angizange ngithinte nensanga I'm feeling myself I'm feeling so crazy I'm feeling so strong Damn I'm feeling my songs Swat Bathi kukhona into wrong Okay Back to the real shit A nigga got speed for impumelelo Kusasa kuze ngibe lead Ngibamba ishitha mina ngizoba fit I'll never change all my lines Ngihlale nginik ngamagama Mina ngizoba fit Futhi ngizoba sweet
Niggas be loving my nuances Acknowledging all my bases The fundamental of being basic Too expensive for 2 cents But still giving my 2 cents Look at my clean sheets
Inzima impilo futhi yamangazi dala nkundla ngizama ukuthola ulwazi kwenzekani manje ngifune kwazi push music ngikhipha ulwazi thando lawo kimi ngangolwandle thando lawo kimi ngangolwandle wow
angifune kwazi mina ngifune ukuhlala ngikhipha ulwazi angifune kwazi mina ngifune ukuhlala ngikhipha ulwazi
When I walk in the room, it's pop, pop. I carry the gravitation, you can't stop. I'm real with the shit, living coded like candy, nigga. I don't care about niggas kneeling, so what they be living, but I consider their feelings. Nurse taught me about brother unification, that's why I be chilling with my black niggas. That's a fact, nigga, it's war outside. The brothers are killing each other, the greedy are still in power. The poor are still enduring the struggle, man, nothing has changed. Writing the scripture, hope you really put it in your sculpture. I'm the chosen one, hip-hop is my culture. Do this for my mama, my family, niggas don't wanna see my shit come outside. Now step aside, they wanna fly my car, they wanna see high. You're crazy man, let me holla at you.
Yo monk, let me show them my view. It sticks to the fact like I'm stuck at the glue in the dark, man, to make it daylight like the skies in the blue. Everything I say is so true, that is what I do when I rhyme, man, I'm writing value. It's not about fame, it's more about showing the things in my brain. No one understand when I rap, they say I'm insane. I keep quiet cause I know where my aim and focus to rap when I'm healing my pain. Go deep when I'm using my pain. Who says what afune kwazi?
Angifune kwazi, mina ngifune ukuhlala ngikhipha ulwazi angifune kwazi mina ngifune ukuhlala ngikhipha ulwazi angifune kwazi mina ngifune ukuhlala ngikhipha ulwazi angifune kwazi mina ngifune ukuhlala ngikhipha ulwazi